So every woman I know of has either dealt with hormonal imbalance or is dealing with hormonal imbalance, and I know a lot of them. And they come to me and they say that they follow healthy lifestyle, that they exercise daily and they eat properly, they eat healthy food, but still they are having acne, or they are not able to lose weight, or they are just missing their periods. But when we think of health, we usually think of health as just a diet and exercise, and if we do them properly, we'll be healthy. But it's not just diet and exercise, it's more than that. It's also your stress level, the toxins which you are exposed to daily, and the chemicals in your food. What makes it more sad is that these women who have period problems or who have some other issues, they suffer in silence, because we are not supposed to talk about our periods, let alone talk about our periods completely disappearing. And in this channel, I'll be talking about all these issues and also giving you the solutions. Also, you shouldn't suffer in silence, and you should seek help if you're experiencing these symptoms. Most commonly, if you have hormonal imbalance, you might have sudden weight gain or weight loss. You might get tired easily, or you have hair fall issues, any digestive issues. Also, if you're getting depressed or anxious lately. Of course, these are not the only symptoms. You can have other symptoms also. So now, ways in which you can fix your hormonal imbalance. So first is get off your birth control pills. Many women use these pills if they have any period problems, and when they take these pills, their period problems disappear, and either the pain goes away or the periods come back. But what we don't know is, if you stop the pill, you might never see your periods again. And if you take the pills only, then your periods will come. But when you stop the pill, your periods won't come back again. And also with that, you will have so many side effects with these. So be careful when you go on these pills. Second is taking healthy fat. Mostly there is a myth that if we take fat, it will make us fat, but there is no evidence or science to back it up. In fact, if you take fat, hormones are made up of fat, so you need to take fat rich diet. Also, it has anti-inflammatory and it will boost your metabolism. And my two favorite sources of fat is avocados and coconut. You can take coconut in the form of coconut oil in your food. It has antibacterial as well as fat burning properties. Next is avocados. Avocados, they're rich in fibers and the vitamin, and also a good source of fat. So taking healthy fat is very important. Next is supplementing with herbs. What are these? These are healing plants, and when you take them, it will help in balancing your hormones. You can take herbs such as ashwagandha and holy basil. They will help in balancing your thyroid hormones. They will help in improving your thyroid hormones, decrease your cholesterol, as well as stable your blood sugar and insulin levels also. Next is balancing your intake of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid. Since 20th century, we have increased our intake of omega-6 fatty acid in our diet, and what it does to our health is, when we take excess omega-6 fatty acid, it causes inflammation in our body. And when we take omega-3 fatty acid, it decreases that inflammation. So there needs to be a balance between your omega-6 fatty acid and your omega-3 fatty acid also. Foods which contain omega-6 fatty acid are sunflower oil, canola oil, soybean oil, corn, and increase your omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acid rich foods are walnuts, chia seeds and flax seeds. Next is eliminating toxic cosmetics. If you use cosmetics, be careful that you check the date of the beauty products and see if it is expired, and if it is expired, don't use them. And also be careful of the cosmetics which you use. Some cosmetics have a chemical called as xenoestrogen. When you apply this makeup, it is absorbed by your skin and can cause hormonal imbalance in your body. Next is get good sleep. Ideally you should at least get 8 hours of sleep, and also you should sleep at the same time and wake up at the same time every day, and stick to a regular sleep routine and follow that. Next is supplementing with vitamin D. There was a research done between the person who lived in a dark place and a person who lived in sunshine, and the research showed that the person who lives in the dark place is more likely to be depressed and anxious compared to the person who doesn't stay in the darker area. So make sure you're getting your vitamin D. The best way to get your vitamin D is by sitting in the sun. And I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, do like and subscribe and comment below, and thank you for watching this video.